Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of custom cursor in your Windows in a very simple way. For that, you need to open this website called VS Themes, as you can see. So after opening this, you can simply get an option over here called cursors. If you click on that, then you will find a bunch of options for the cursors. And you can see there is Dim V4, Sigma, and there are lots more. So if I just choose this theme or this cursor customization, you can simply get it over here and you can see the presets over here, as you can see. So now if you just click on this download file and click on download to PC, after a little short of time, the download will be started. After completing the download, you can simply click on the folder icon and you will get this file. So it's an zip file. So if you click on the extract file, it will be extracting right now. And as you can see, here is the file. So if you click on it, and then you can get the DMV4, Techno Blue Premium, Nitro Green, and Interraid. So if you just click on the Inter Blue option and if you click on DMV4, as you can see, there are a bunch of options over here. So you just need to come over into this option, this setup information. So if you click on the right mouse button, click on this file and click on the right mouse button, you will get the install option. If you click on the install and click open, the file will be installed. And now if you want to change the custom preset, what you have to do, you just need to click on the settings option or open settings options, and then you need to go for the Bluetooth and device, and then here you need to click on the mouse option and click on additional mouse settings, and into the mouse pointer properties you need to set the pointers, and from here you need to click on the browse option, and from here you can simply click on the download and you will get DMV4 that you downloaded. If you click on that, go for the presets, and here is the presets all over here. Also, we can check it by click on this and you will get the downloaded file. So as you can see, there are lots of options over here. So if I just click on any of this file, like I'm going to click on working in background option and please apply, click OK. As you can see right now, I changed my cursor like this. So this is how we can simply change custom cursor in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.